guys, I'm here with Julia here. So this is a packaging branded drawstring bag. I got the box as well, which is branded and the same color. Then I got a Julia elastic headband, and then there's the wig, which we're gonna get into. I got a pair of HD wig caps, and then my goodie bag. Let's see. I got another branded elastic band, HD wig cap, another pair of that, and ooh, there's some really nice press-ons in this. I love the design. It's cute, well shaped. Yeah, this is really nice. So this is the wig that we're working with for today, guys. This is Julia Hair's 7x5 reddish brown. It's a 7x5 lace closure, HD lace closure, pre-everything reddish brown body wave wig. This is 24 inches long, and I'll put the density and everything in my description box, so please check that out. And it is also, as I said, pre-everything, so pre-plucked, pre-cut, and it has the wavy cut to it in the front. It is a lot of space to work with, not your average lace closure vibe. It's 7x5, so that's a lot of space to, you know, do a different kind of style with, rather than just your average, you know, center part or side part. But you could get a nice deep side part with this. And this is the cap construction. It has a non-slip silicone strip in the back. All right, it also has this comb in the back, and I did get a adjustable elastic band to go ahead and add to the loops on the inside of the cap here. That's what really adds to security. I got this adjustable elastic band, as I said. I'm just go ahead and apply this to the inside of the cap. But this is a gorgeous color. Already came pre-curled, as you can see. So I'm just literally gonna go in, and it's a glueless wig, by the way, guys. So you know it's perfect for, you know, a very quick install. And of course, my beginners, I've been catering to my beginners a lot, yes, I know, and it's still suitable for everybody. So yeah, that's how it looks once you apply the elastic band. And I'm just gonna adjust it to make it a little tighter, so this way it will be really nice and snugged on the head, and it will be very secure, so you don't have to worry about your wig slipping off your head. Once you flip it on and you slip it in place to how you want it, you just stick the comb in the back portion of your head. Those curls look so good. They're really bouncy and nice. You really don't have to even go in and do anything, because it already comes so nicely pre-curled, basically pre-styled for you. So that's a plus. I'm gonna do, you can see a little bit of the cast, so I'm gonna cut away the piece of lace that absolutely no hair is on. That's how we're looking. All I'm gonna do is take some of my powder, and I'm going to tap it on the very edge. You guys saw that I cut away some of the lace that did not have any hair on it, which is my usual thing to do. It really helps to minimize the cast a whole lot. So I just, you know, the tiniest amount, it's not even that, and this really helps it to be like very undetectable. Absolutely no adhesive whatsoever. And that's it. No baby hairs, no swoops needed. That is it. See, all I'm gonna go in and do, right, let's get my hot comb and we get it nice and flat. And I'm also going to make my parting a little bit more precise. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't
you could part it or style it, you know, explore different styles, because you have way more parting space.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Ooh.
The ear look good. The ear is doing what it's supposed to do. Tell the truth, it looks good, guys. Like, what? Yeah, Julia here, you did that, because this looks so realistic. Like, it's laid. Like, this is so flat. The color, chef's kiss. I love it. Love it. It's very light. It could be a little fuller if you're into like that super full look, then yeah, but it's very realistic. It's light. It's doesn't feel like a lot going on your head, and it's a very neat look. So I appreciate that. The lace is very undetectable and it's glueless. That's the best part. The best part, easy and quick to install. It's beautiful. I love it. What more could you ask for? It's a 10. It's a 10. And that's how we're looking. Yeah, full to the tips. It's not like, as I said, it's not super full, but you know, it's like that average type of density. So I need you guys to go ahead and check my description box to double check on all the specifications. Shout out to Julia here once more for today's pre-everything glueless wig. Perfect for beginners. I think it's definitely a go. The direct link to this will be in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself or for somebody else, you can go ahead and get it down below. And that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Magic. No, I'm never